Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use a Verizon router as an extender. It's very easy and simple, but first you need to actually check compatibility. You know, make sure that your Verizon router supports extender mode or bridge mode. So it depends on the model. If you're unsure, you can check out the user manual, look up your specific router model online for compatibility. Okay? And then what you do is you're going to connect your computer or phone to the Verizon router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right? Open your web browser, type in this URL 192.168.1.1 into the address bar, and then you enter your router's admin username and password. Now this is typically on the label of the router. You can go ahead and check for that. And then what you do is you just enable extender mode or bridge mode, right? Once you're logged in, you look for a section like wireless settings, network settings, or advanced settings. And in this section, look for options such as extender mode or bridge mode. And then just go ahead and select the mode that allows your Verizon router to connect with your main router and extend the Wi-Fi signal. And after enabling the extender or bridge mode, your Verizon router will search for nearby networks. You just need to go ahead and select your main router's Wi-Fi network and enter the password to link them. And if you're prompted, I want you to go ahead and choose the SSID and security settings for the extended network. And then what you do, guys, is you place your Verizon router in the desired location, right? Just position it in an area where you want to extend coverage, usually in between your main router and the area with the weak signal. But just ensure that's actually stayed within range of your main router to maintain a strong connection. And after you're done, just test the connection, right? Try connecting your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network, and you can test the signal strength in the previously weak areas. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.